Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add an external link in WordPress website menu. Here you can see in the header section it has a professional menu. The website is built with Astra theme and Elementor Pro. So now we can log in into our WordPress website. Now in the dashboard we can find out appearance menu. Here you can see these are various options. On the left side we can use custom links. So here in the URL we can add here a link. I can copy this website link and add here. After that, here you can see link text. I can add text web design. Then click here add menu. I can remove this one and now I can drag here on the first position. Then click here save menu. Now let's refresh the page. Here you can see the very first position we have added web design. In this way you can add external website link in your WordPress website.